Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix hashtags on your Instagram. The most common reasons for not being able to use hashtags is that maybe because you're using a banned hashtag, or you use too large or too small hashtags, or the hashtags you are trying to post to not match the subject of the photo. Whatever your reasons are, there are some fixes you can try out whenever your hashtags are not working on Instagram. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icons that you'll never miss another update from us. Go to Instagram and try creating a post. Once you do that, go to the upload page and go ahead and type in the caption for your post, and then make sure to use the hashtags that did not violate the rules of the Instagram platform. If you post hashtags that are related to pornography, terrorism, hate speech, verbal and physical violence, then they might be permanently blocked. So make sure to type in good hashtags and check the hashtags before each publication. If you still don't find your hashtag working even if you are not banned from hashtags, then what you can do is go and force stop the Instagram application. Go to the app info page and then tap on force stop at the bottom right corner. Tap on OK from the pop-up. Go ahead and check if any permissions are disabled on Instagram by tapping on permission under app info. Allow all the permissions that are denied and go back to Instagram. To check if it works, another fix, you can try outs to clear a cache for the Instagram application. Go to the settings from your app drawer and tap on app, search for Instagram from the list of the apps installed on your device, and then tap on storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner and then tap on clear data at the bottom left from the pop-up. Tap on OK and then try going to your Instagram application one more time and see if that fixes your issue. Sometimes this problem might arise because of a weak internet connection. Try switching back to mobile data or your Wi-Fi connection, and then try going to the Instagram application and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the pictures whenever your hashtag is not working on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.